Hello everyone, hope your hair is ready for a hairstyle. Grab the hair from the sides and tie in the middle of the wrap and drop it inside with the remaining section of the hair along the tail we have split them into two and have it into a loopy braid. Then fold the right braid into half and move to the top left. Do the same vice versa for the left side and secure with a little hairpin. Then drop in your favorite hairpin in the middle of it to decorate it even more further. Then leave the remaining hair as such. Once again, grab the hair from the sides and tie in the middle of the wrap and drop it inside to get a twisted band. With the remaining section of the hair along the tail we have, split them into two and have ponytails on each of them. Then drop the right tail into the left loop and the left one into the right and continue doing it until they have a very small end. Then combine both the tips at the bottom with the wrap band and stuff it inside the bun we created, making it completely hidden. Then adjust the bun for little volume and drop in your favorite hairpin on top of that to enhance your hairstyle even more further. Have a ponytail out of your gorgeous hair and have a wrap band touch the bottom middle part and create a gap in the middle bun and twist it against each other until you tighten the loop. Then after that, have the loop pressed against your head and make the center parts come out outside. Then with the excess tips we have it around the bun we created and drop in your favorite hairpin at the side. Grab the hair from the sides and make it cross each other at the back side and have another strip of hair from the left side and have it in the middle of the crossed hair. Do the same for the right side as well. Then after that, continue doing it until you empty every hair at the bottom section. Then once when you do it, have the remaining tail we have into a thicker braid by splitting it into two parts. Then secure the end with the wrap band, make the tail bushy. Then after when you've done it, have it fold the inner parts and have it stuffed inside once when you make the braid flatter by stretching them out. And have the whole thing secured in place by dropping a little hairpin underneath it. And to decorate it even more further, choose lovely hairpin out of your collection and drop it on top of the braid we have already created. Grab the hair from the sides and tie in the middle of the wrap band. Have a wrap band attach the middle part of the tail, create a loop and drop the tail into it. Drop the tail entirely into the parent's loop, making a heart and lump. Then with the remaining tail we have it as a ponytail and split them into two parts and have a wrap band attached in the middle parts of them and create a loop and drop the tail into it, making a twisted band. Then drop the right tail into the left loop of the parent's loop against the lump we created. Do the same for the left side. Then have the tips combine at the bottom with the wrap band and stuff it inside the bun we created, having it completely hidden. Then to decorate even more further, drop in your hairpin. Grab your hair from the sides and tie in the middle of the wrap and drop it inside and you can have your favorite hair clutcher. Or you can grab the entire hair and make a ponytail out of it. Then after that, have another wrap band attach the middle part and stuff the tail to the last loop of the wrap band and bend it down, stuffing into the middle part, making as a bun and move the entire bun to the top and have it in place by dropping a little hairpin through the wrap band and securing on the twisted band. And now you can drop your favorite hair clutcher on top of that after stretching out the bun for more volume. This is how you can do it. Have a ponytail and have a wrap band attach the top middle part of it and create a loop and drop the tail into it. Make it come down by making it as a twisted band and scrunch it to the top, making a lump and have a wrap band attached to it, securing the lump in place. Then with the tail we have split them into two and have it braided across each other in a thicker manner until you reach the midway. Then secure with the wrap band and bend the tail into the middle part and stuff it inside the last loop of the wrap band and push it inside the middle part of the bow tie we have and have it in place by dropping little hairpin on top of it. Then extend the bun for a little volume and adjust the shape. Then after that, to decorate your hairstyle even more further, drop in your hairpin underneath the bun we created. Then thank you everyone for watching this video.